can see my screen?
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
yes, okay, okay. I will I will check this comment box time to time, because when I am presenting, I am unable to see this comment section. So I will check it time to time. Okay, and if I am asking you something, please unmute your mic at that point of time, and please answer my question. Otherwise, I won't understand that whether you are people are audible to me or not. Okay. So basically, let's start with today's subject, that is the webinar on graphic design. Okay. And before I just start the thing, I just want to introduce myself. Myself, Sarmishta Bhattacharya. I'm a graphic mentor. I will be conducting this webinar. Okay. So let's interact right now. So please mention in the chat box from which part of India you all are participating. Please mention the name of your city in the chat box. Let me check. Okay, Kolkata, Lucknow, UP, Gujarat, Kolkata. Okay, Malda, West Bengal. Okay, Assam, Guwahati. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for your response. Thank you for your response. Okay. So uh, let me admit. Okay. So this webinar is basically for the beginners, but if any professional are attending this webinar, they are also welcome. So before taking it forward, let me introduce my organization, that is Studio To and Fro. Studio To and Fro is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. Actually, it is primarily a design and animation institute. Apart from designing, we also impart classes on computer science, computer application based on ICSE and ISC syllabus. Okay, and here in Studio To and Fro, we also work on the development of interpersonal skills of the student, which is mandatory for a good job nowadays. We also help our student to create good and attractive portfolio where they can showcase their best work when they are going for an interview. Okay, so to know more about us, you can visit our website, that is www.studio2andfro.com, to check on the courses. So that's all about the organization. So let's look at today's agenda. So the agenda, I have already sent you people the agenda. Then also I'm just repeating it. The first day we will be doing, that is today, that is fundamentals and basics of graphic design. Okay. And the day 2 will be basic introduction to the softwares like Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW. And day 3 will be the basic introduction to Photoshop, followed by a FAQ session and discussion on career options. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's begin. The fundamentals and basics of graphic designing. That is the topic of today. Okay, although this is very elementary, we learned this in our initial school days, but it is very essential to reuse these concepts to make a good graphic design. Okay, to know about graphic design, first we need to know about the fundamentals of design. So when you are constructing a sentence, first you need to know the alphabet, then it goes to word making, then the sentence making. Like that only. The first is the fundamentals and basic, then we will jump into the softwares. Okay. So let's see what is fundamentals of design. My screen is visible to all, right? Please, someone unmute your mic and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
are able to see
Okay,
you.
okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay. So fundamentals of design basically are the fundamentals of design are the basis of every visual medium, from fine art to modern day app design. Even the smaller details make up the most of this composition. Okay, someone is participating. Let me enter him. Sorry. Okay. So there are some basic elements which comprises these fundamentals. Okay, that's you people all know it. I just want to tell you again. That is line. Okay, then shape, then form, and texture, and then the last one is balance. These are the basic elements which comprises this design. Okay, so let's see a practical example. Line appears in each illustration and text composition where we can see they add a value. So this is a practical example. See this visiting card, it has a shape in it, there is a texture in the background, there is line. So all together it comprises the elements of design. Okay, so just quickly jump into the element details. Okay, I will just quickly jump into the element details. That is, first is line. The most basic element is line. Line is a shape that connects two or more points. So we all know that. I know you people know that. Okay, thus to revise the elements of design, I'm just showing you this. Line can be thick, it can be thin, it can be wavy, or it can be jagged. Okay, so we can see line appears in illustration like this. Line appears in pattern, text compositions, where they add a value. Okay, let me again, someone is trying to enter. Okay. Okay, so what I was telling you, that here you can see this whole artwork has been done with lines. This is an example of curvy lines. Okay, this illustration has been is a line work, and we can see the pattern behind, which is also comprises of lines. And then fonts obviously is a composition of lines only, and this underlining thing to the word graphic design is adding value to it. Okay, it is emphasizing the word graphic design. So how this is the practical example how that line appears to be so important element in the fundamentals of graphics. Okay, the next thing is shape. Okay, a shape is a two-dimensional area with recognizable boundary. Okay, so what are the shapes we all know? That is circle, square, triangle. Okay, and we can broadly divide the shape into two categories, that is regular or geometric, organic or free form shape. Okay, this is the example of geometric shape, and this is the example of organic or free form shape. Let's go back to the slide. Okay, so organic or free form shape are the natural shapes we can see here, and these are the geometric shapes. Here you can see that shape plays a very important role in communicating ideas. Okay, visually, it has surprising number of uses in everyday design, where we can see in this creating a simple illustration to organizing different contents like this. See, the total visiting card is comprised, it is in a shape, within a shape of rectangular shape. Okay, so and then creating street signs which we see on road, This is also shapes. There are different types of street signs like this. These are in circle, these are in triangles, these are in polygon. Okay. uh, and symbols which we see in our everyday life, these are the symbols. So we all know about these symbols. This is Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, G+, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. Okay, these are all shapes. And in understanding or creating abstract art also. Okay, so creating abstract art also, shape is very helpful. See here, this art has been comprised of different kind of shapes like this circle, there is lines, there's rectangles, there are triangles. Okay, so this is the example of shape. Let's move into the next category, that is form. When shape becomes three-dimensional, we call it a form. Okay, so when a shape, a 2D shape becomes three-dimensional, we call it a form. So form can be either photographed or can be created. See here, we can see the photograph of a rock. Okay, and this is a created in a software. Okay, so created with a proper usage of shadow, light, and perspective, and to bring an illusion of depth, so it should look original. Okay, so here in two-dimensional design, form makes realism possible. Okay, in two-dimensional design, forms makes realism possible. Without it, 3D ball is just a shape. See here, we can see the same kind of ball. This is 2D, okay, and this is 3D. Just with the illusion of light, okay, we can make this thing 3D. So this is what we call form, okay. So the next category is texture. In graphic design, texture is generally a visual thing, which it creates a physical illusion, okay. And there are categories of it, that is smooth texture, hard texture, and rough texture. Okay, so these are the three categories of texture. Now for the beginners, texture, they find texture very attractive. Okay, I have seen students using texture in each and everything. Okay, so texture make a very good background image for them. So here we can see one example. Okay, so here is a visiting card where we can see texture has been added. See, this smooth and shiny kind of texture is there. Very proper usage of texture. It's not cluttered, but we can see bad examples also like this. Okay, okay, someone is joining. So here you can see this is what I was saying. This is a good example and this is a bad example of texture. See, the texture has been added here also, but it is added in a such a way that it is looking good. Okay, and where we can see this texture on the background. Okay, so there is a there is a gap of communication with the text over it. Okay, it's looking cluttered. So when you are using a texture, you should keep in mind that it should not look too hazy. Okay, it should give importance to your text. Like here it is adding importance to the text. Okay, so actually just like that what it is mentioned, that don't go overboard. Too many texture in a single design can ruin it, as we can see here. I don't know why he has put in this brush stroke out here, because it is not adding any meaning to it. Okay, so this is an example of good and bad texture design. Okay, so moving on to the next slide, that is very important, that is balance. Balance plays a very important role. It is the equal distribution of visual weight. See, here in this squares, we can see there is an equal gap between the squares. That is what we call balance. Balance can be affected by many things. Some of them are color, size, negative space. Okay. Okay. So moving on to the next thing of balance, that is balance is divided into two categories, symmetrical and asymmetrical. Okay, so example of symmetrical is this one, where you can see both the sides are same, where in asymmetrical design this side is different and this side is different. Okay, so this is what is the difference between symmetrical and asymmetrical design. Now, the thing is, let's see a practical example. Okay, again in a visiting card. Okay, visiting, why I'm showing you the visiting card, because it is a very common thing, and for the beginners, it will help you to understand the thing. Okay, so in this example of symmetrical and asymmetrical design, you can see there the company logo is positioned centrally with equal spacing on each side, and very asymmetrical design, it is also a good design. Okay, the company logo is placed somewhere on the left hand side and the details here. Okay, so see, the thing is, it is equally divided, similar on both the sides, and where here also it is different, but they are also evenly distributed as they are paying attention to the right thing. Okay, so here it is paying attention to the right thing, we can see. So before moving on to the next slide, you guys have any question you want to ask me? Just comment in the text chat box. Okay, any question, anyone? Ma'am, one of my friend is sending request, please accept her. I think I have accepted everyone who want to join. Okay, so moving on to the next thing, that is what is graphic design? Let's move on to the next slide. Sorry, this, what is graphic design? Can somebody unmute your mic and tell me what is graphic design? You want to say anything? Anyone want to say anything? Or you can comment in the box. Don't Google and say it, okay? Uh, but asymmetric can we use? Yeah, of course you can use asymmetric design. I just show you that. Here, this is a good example. The front side of the visiting card has a symmetrical design, and the back side of the visiting card has a asymmetrical design. Okay, so, and which is good looking. Okay, maximum time we use asymmetrical design also. It's not always that we are using symmetrical design, but the balancing should be proper. What I just taught you right now, this is the about balance, that balancing should be proper, the things should be given proper attention. If say
मैम
some people will
प्रेजेंटेशन स्टॉप हो गया.
stop ho gaya. Okay, let me check who is this presenting. Shashidhar Verma is presenting. Shashidhar Verma, can you please turn off your camera? Can you please stop presenting? Okay, see, there is a blue bar over it saying stop presenting. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's resume. What I was telling, someone was asking that asymmetrical design. Yeah, of course you can use asymmetrical design. It is not a bad design. Okay, it is actually a good form of design. See, the thing which you are creating, it should be given a proper attention. Okay, it's like here, the company logo has been placed here. It is not clattering, or it's not merging with any other thing. Say someone put the logo over here. Okay, obviously the attention will go to John Doe, not logo. But my primary focus will be that the thing should go to, my focus should go to the company logo. Okay, is that clear? Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next slide, which I was saying that what is graphic design? Okay. So beginners often ask, what is graphic design and what exactly it covers? Okay. So, well, my answer to them is it covers everything. Every aspect of design is covered by graphic design. Okay. Some often you will say that though is animation, there is a myth actually. People say that graphic design means it's a print media. Okay, it's not. Actually, every aspect of design involves graphic design. Okay, say when you are doing an animation, okay, first what you have to do, you have to create that thing. So that is graphic. Okay, then you will do animation. So like that, if you are making a mobile app, the first the layout needs to be created, the look needs to be done. So of course you have to do the graphic first, then you have the process of coding and etc. will go on. Okay, so this is the thing. And so my idea of exploring graphic design is simple. There is two words, that is graphic and design. Okay, so here see what is graphic means. It is a visual, which is art, imagination, and expression involving such as drawing, painting, typography, or lettering. Okay, we choose these visual elements, arrange them on a layout to convey our ideas. These elements are line, color, texture, shape, space, form, and lettering. We already have gone through these slides, okay, where we have read about the texture, line, and everything. So this all these basic elements comprises a graphic. And 1 minute. Sorry guys, I have to admit, so that's why maybe the presentation sometimes the flow is broken sometime. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so what I was telling, that now I come to the thing design. Okay, to quote unquote, we can say that to design upon the look and function of something before it is made. Okay, so this is what is design. There are rules which guide this whole process, and we call it principles of design. Now, what these principles of designs are, we don't go to the explanation of those principles. I will just name them. That is balance and alignment. We already know that. Okay. And contrast, repetition, proximity, visual hierarchy, simplicity, and function. Okay. Uh, so contrast actually refers to what? Refers to the arrangement of opposite elements. That is light versus dark. Okay, color, rough versus smooth, like that. And repetition is the you can say it is simply means the reusing of the same elements. We repeat. Say a box is repeated. Okay, the throughout the design, the one kind of graphic you have used, and you are repeating that one. That is called repetition. And the proximity is that by moving visual elements closer together or farther apart, we are applying the proximity of design principles. Okay, and the visual hierarchy is the arranging of elements to show their order and importance. And simplicity and function is simple, that is clarity. Okay, your design should be crisp and your design should be clear. Okay, when these visual elements and design principles comes together, we create graphic design. Okay, so this is all about graphic design. So now, next slide will be on the scope in graphic design, what you can create in graphic design. Before moving on to that section, let me check. Someone is trying to enter. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's move into this one. That is scope in graphic design. Scope in graphic design means what we can create with this graphic design. See, software so you can learn. Okay, softwares you can learn, and you need to know that what I can create with this software. Okay, it's not always about making the DP for your WhatsApp, or it's about your DP for your Facebook profile. Okay, if someone is taking this career seriously and want to be a graphic designer, so they should know that what they can create. So for them, actually graphic designing is a vast area. Okay, so I'm just picking up the important things and I'm showing you that what if you can create. So first and the most important thing is logo design. Okay, logo design is very important. So what is logo? What is logo? I will come to you in that next slide. Okay, we will discuss it later on. We have slides for that also. Okay, the full form of logo. Anyone can tell me the full form of logo? Anyone can write in the comment section what is the full form of logo. What is the difference between graphic design and design? No, see, we are using the word graphic design means design. Whatever you design, it's a graphic. It consists of graphic. What graphic means? Graphic is a symbol. Okay, so whatever you are designing, that is graphic design only. But we call it locally like this. This design, this design. That is the thing. Okay. So, and what I was telling you, that graphic meaning, that is the principle, the way which we make, and design means the thing when the practical application of those elements are done. Okay, so that is the design. For example, I just tell you, for example, when you are making an ad, okay, so you are making with some graphics, you are using some symbols, some photographs, or something like that. Okay, and when you come to, when you are applying it on an artboard and arranging those things and giving proper attention to the logo, then to the subject, then to the content of the ad. Okay, so that is the layout is called designing. Okay, so graphic and design, not graphic design and design. I was telling you graphic and design. Okay, so I hope that is clear to you. Okay. Someone is saying language if graphic oriented. No, it language, not if, language of graphic oriented. Okay. Right one. Thank you. Uh, so this is what this logo is. I was asking you the term, what is logo? So yes, it is language graphic oriented. Let's go back to the presentation and see the, and the logo is the term logo is a symbol which is used to recognize a public identification of a brand or a company. Okay, so we can see logo everywhere. Any company you pick up has a logo of its own. Okay, so and whatever you are using, if you are using a mobile right now or a laptop right now, you can see a logo in it. Okay, so whatever we wear, say if we are wearing a t-shirt, that has a logo. We are wearing a trouser, that has a logo. And if we are wearing a shoe, that has a logo too. So every brand has its logo. Okay, so it is very important, and we will discuss the logo in next slides. Okay, we have a section on logo today also, so I will be discussing it again. So I'm not giving too much time on it. So let's quickly move on to the other scopes of design, that is stationary design. So stationary design means the designing of letterhead, envelopes, and visiting cards comprises the stationary designs, and also includes this, you can say, polybag, CD covers, then other writing equipments like pen. You have a stationary pen, and you have a logo on it. Okay, so These are all means logo is so important that on stationery design you can see the visibility of logo. Okay, so this is the stationery design part. Then we can do design, poster design. Okay, so here we can see posters. A poster is a temporary promotion of an idea, product in public space. Okay, it should be informative. Your poster should be informative. It should carry that information which you want to portray in a public place. Okay, so this is the type of posters. There are different type of posters. Posters can be landscape, posters can be portrait. I have shown you the portrait type of posters. And see, the posters are also done in a very creative way. We can see here, like this poster. See, there is a heart sign making with this pencils because it is done some by some teaching institute, some educational institute. So thanks a billion. So this pencil is forming a heart shape too. So a very creative example of it. So this is what about the poster design. Okay. Uh, so next category is brochure design. Yeah, again a very important category in graphic design, that is brochure design. What is brochure design is actually a way that advertise their product or services. And this brochure should be also informative. Okay. So now the thing is,
Voice
someone
is not.
has turned on his mic. Yeah, tell
Voice is
me.
not clear.
Voice is
Yeah.
not clear. Now
Yeah.
it is clear?
Thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. Maybe some network issue,
Yeah.
that's
Ma'am,
why.
repeat
See,
again.
when the my voice, yeah, I will repeat again. Okay. When my voice is breaking or not clear, please unmute your mic and tell me, okay?
Sure, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Continue.
Yeah. So coming to the brochure design part, okay, so the brochure design, what I was telling, I'm just repeating the thing. It's a document designed in a way to advertise business products or services, and brochure should be informative. So brochure has many versions, like a single page brochure. It's called flyer. Okay, it can be two-fold, it can be Z-fold. Okay, it can be tri-fold. There are eight-fold brochures also. It can be a booklet. So brochure design altogether has many sections. That is the thing. When you start doing this design thing, you will come to know. Uh, and here you can see what I was teaching you, the basic elements of design. Here we have seen that in this following examples which I was showing you, here we can see the use of shape, use of line, okay, and proper attention to the logo and everything. The styling is done through lines, shapes, and every basic elements. Okay, so you cannot do anything without those basic elements. You have to use those basic elements and apply your idea of creativity. So this is about the brochure design. Brochure design is a very important part. All companies have their brochure. We also have our brochure. So this is about the brochure design. Next is magazine cover and ad design. Okay. Okay. So here we can see there's a magazine cover out here. It's a part of graphic design only. And here we can see a magazine ad. Okay, ad design is something which is very important, and one needs to be very creative when they are making any ad, because developing advertising strategies can increase the sale of your product. Okay, so when you are making an ad, so there should be some certain explanation, some certain strategies behind it. Okay, so an ad can be of different types. It can be a magazine ad, it can be a social media ad, it can be paper ad, means newspaper ad. Newspaper ads are black and white. They are made in calculated according to columns. They are called column ad. Okay, when you go to the details of ad design, you will learn that there are different types of column ad, like 2-column ad, like 3-column ad. So, and there is a mathematical calculation behind it. See, for say I want to give a ad on Telegraph. Okay, I want to give a 2-column ad on Telegraph. So they calculate the price on basis of the column. Okay, and I was telling about the mathematical calculation, that is, they will say you 2-column ad. Now, how do you know that what will be the width and what will be the height of that ad? Okay, so there is a formula which we apply when doing the column based ad. Okay, so when you will be doing if anyone gets interested and do this graphic designing course, they will come to know about these formulas and everything. Okay, so moving on to the next category, that is package design. Before starting the package design, someone if want to enter. Okay, I heard a ping, but no one is there. Okay, let's start. Okay, the package design. Package design is again a very important part. Okay, our day-to-day design process. We can see packets everywhere. Okay, the pack. But one thing I want to mention, I would like to mention that all the graphic designers cannot make packages. Okay, they know about package design. I am a graphic designer. I know about package design, but the company keeps a separate person for package designing. If that company has a unit of
Ma'am, one
designing.
question in the box.
Yeah, tell me.
One question.
Mm-hmm.
Inbox.
Okay, inbox. Okay, let me see. Formula? You are asking about the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the formula is a mathematical calculation. Okay, I'm not going to write, means this is not the right time to talk about this formula. That needs some explanation. We will do it some other day. Okay, and because we will be running out of time then. Okay, so it's already 4:43, and I will discuss it later on about the formula of ad design. Okay, when we will be discussing, we will make uh, a session on ad design, and we will discuss about that later on. Okay, so okay, so what I was telling that companies keep package designers. Okay, when the company has a designing unit of their own, if they are making the packages in house, so they keep a package designer separately, because the package designing needs some skills, right? What proportion of the package should be, and how we can the technicalities. There are many more technicalities, that how it will close, and it should be a tight package, how the sachet package can be designed a sachet package. Okay, like this, there are many technicalities to it. So all the graphic designers are not package designers. Okay, so there is another, when you go to naukri.com and if you search like package designers, there is a separate requirement for that. Okay, so this is all about package designing. Then we come to infographic design. Okay, so it is very interesting form of design. And infographic is a collection of imagery charts, as we can see, and minimal text that gives easy understanding for the overview of topic. Okay, now infographic design is a very new kind of design. It is introduced almost 10 years back internationally, and it's now being used hugely. Especially, we can see this kind of design on e-learning materials, on presentations. Okay, so we use a lot of infographics. Actually, previously, what was done, that we used to presentations were done that the process of something, if the say for a company is showing their work process. Okay, so they make a flow chart of it. But nowadays, the graphical representation has found a new way, that is through infographic. Okay, so here we can see there's idea, and what are the ideas you can project like this. Okay, so this is what infographics is all about. And here we can see a business infographic, okay, created in a very interesting way. So that is the infographic design. If you remember, when I was starting the presentation, when I was into the agenda slide, there was an infographic too. I have placed that that made that agenda in an infographic. Okay, so this is how the infographic used. Okay, next is banner and billboard design. What is banner and billboards? The large size outdoor advertisements, what we see is called the banners and billboards. Okay. Uh, it is actually advertised to get the attention of the passerby. It is usually placed in traffic areas. Actually, we can see big hoardings. So each and every city, whenever we go through roads, we can see lot of hoardings. Okay. So, and in the hoardings, here I just give an example. Here in Kolkata, the people who are from Kolkata, they know that on Metropolitan Bypass, there is a place where you can see beside the lake, there is a cluster of hoardings. At least 8 to 9 hoardings are standing together. Okay. So when someone is driving or if someone is going through that road, that person has only fraction of second to look at the hoarding. It is not that purposely someone will stand and see your hoarding. It's not like that. So your hoarding should be so attractive that within that cluster of hoardings, within 8 other hoardings, the people should pay attention to your hoarding. So that's why we can see the maximum companies are using famous spaces on their hoarding. Like I don't remember exactly which brand, that TMT bar hoarding. We can see lot of TMT bar hoarding where Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma is doing that ad for that company. Okay. So if someone is driving and see, oh, it's Virat and Anushka. So for what company they are doing it? Oh, it's for that TMT bar. It's like that. Okay. So people, so that's why, and hoarding make is a huge investment, because that one hoarding might cost around 1 lakh per month. Okay. And that is a rent, not you are owning that thing. Okay. So of course the hoarding should be attractive and it should explain that what you want to say. Moving on to the next thing, that is website or UX design. That is also a part of graphic design, what I was telling you. So website or UX design. UX design means user experience design, the designing of app, okay, mobile app, people who are participating through app Google Meet. Okay, so we are also using an app, and that is also a part of graphic design, because the initial design need to be created in Photoshop, then it is imported to some other technical softwares, and they decide that which coding they should give. I don't know about coding, so I won't get much into that. Okay, so whether it will be responsive or HTML5. So these are the things which are decided later on. The first thing, they make a layout on Photoshop or some using some other softwares. Maximum, the whatever we do, the initial stage, the first thing we create a layout in Photoshop. Okay, so that is all about this website and UX design. So these are the few things, and it's not possible to show each and every things in one slide or one session. Sorry, not in slide, in one session. So I just quickly look into the other aspects as well, like postcard and flyer design, newspaper ad, I already told you, vehicle wraps. Okay, vehicle wrap design we can see, signage and trade show displays, email marketing templates, PowerPoint presentation, menus, social media ads, images for website, blogs, and many more. Okay. So these are all which is made in graphic designing software. Okay. With graphic designing software, you can make this kind of things. Menus are nowadays is a very important thing. In all restaurant uses menus. Okay, we see menu and then we order the food. Some of the restaurant use tab to give us the tab and we just tap on it and we order. Okay, but designing needs to be done in a software, and that is a part of graphic design only. So this graphic
Ma'am,
design.
one question.
Yeah.
I mean, signage and trade show displays. What that?
Okay.
What's that? Can you?
Yeah. I just explained. Uh, Signage and trade show displays means we have trade show like in Kolkata we have Milan Mela ground and the trade shows goes on Netaji Indoor also. So we see that there are big signage on that trade show. Including, for example, for Studio to and fro, if you are participating in a fair, I will display my standee. Okay, there would be one banner, there would be some signage showing the name of my company. That is called the trade show displays. Okay, trade show displays is actually the standee and dangler, this kind of things. There are many sections to it. It's not possible to cover each and every section. Okay, I hope that is clear to you.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So from this huge bucket of graphic design, I just pick up two main subject, and I will continue my session with that only. That is, one is logo design and another one is ad design. Okay. So first I just start with logo design. Before starting with logo design, I just go back to the comment section. I just want to see if you have any other questions or anything. Okay, ma'am, what is billboard? Yeah, signboards. Sham Sundar, you are right, that is signboards. No, UX and UI are not same. UX design are the user experience and UI is user interface. Okay, you can Google and check the difference. User interface design includes coding and everything. Okay, but that includes the graphic design. You need to create the graphic first, then you go to for the coding part. Yeah, signage is also called signboard. Signboard, billboard, okay, hoardings like that. Okay, so moving on to the section logo. Yes, very interesting part, logo design. So I just go to logo. What is logo? Okay, if you Google it, okay, we'll come to know that a symbol or other small design adopted by an organization to identify its products, uniform, or vehicles. Okay, if you Google it, Google will show you this. That's correct. Of course, Google will not show you the wrong thing. That's correct. But to know logo, we should go a little deeper. Okay. So I just explained like this. If we went back to the ancient time, we would see the people used to communicate or pass their thoughts, messages, concept, ideas through symbols. Okay. They don't have a proper written languages back then. So symbols were vitally important. And in the present day world also, we still use symbols to convey our ideas and thoughts, but that we call it today a logo. Logos are designed for recognition of organization or businesses. They build the bigger concept of identity around organization, that is the brand, and the logo is a tip of an iceberg in that brand. Okay, so the thing is, logo makes a brand. Okay, like we have very famous logos, we will discuss it in the later slides. So for making logo, what we should keep in mind is that a logo should be original. You should not replicate your logo from some other company. Okay, it should be original, it should be memorable, it should be unique, and it should be striking. Okay, so of course, the logo should be original, and to make it memorable, of course, you have to make it very unique and striking. You have to be very creative when making logo. Then only the people will remember your logo. Like the logo of Nike. Okay, everyone know the Nike logo. They don't have to write any name just beneath their logo. Just that tick mark sign is enough to understand that is Nike. Okay, so logo can be broadly divided into 5 categories. Okay, now if you Google it, okay, if you Google it, it will show you there are 10 categories of logo, there are 7 categories of logo, there are 3 categories of logo. In my opinion, I preferably divide the logo into 5 broad categories. Okay, so that is, one is symbol, that is the most important one, word mark, letter mark, combination, and emblem logo. Okay, so these are the 5 categories of logo: symbol, word mark, letter mark, combination, and emblem. Okay, let's see what is symbol. Okay, fine. See, this is the symbol or iconic logo. Okay, symbol or iconic logo represents brand in a simple but bold and confident manner. In most of the cases, the images is abstract or stylized. Let's see few examples. Apple, Shell, Nike. Okay, so uh, can anyone tell me, someone please tell me the what is, why this Apple logo is this kind? Why it is eaten from this side? What is your, then don't Google it. Okay, just like that. If anyone want to participate and to unmute, please unmute your mic and tell me what this logo means to you. Okay, anyone? No one? Okay. So,
Yeah, Apple,
yeah,
Shell,
tell
and
me.
Nike. Apple, Shell, and Nike.
Yeah, these are 3. Yeah, of course, Apple, Shell, and Nike. I'm just asking that what this Apple logo actually carrying any meaning or not? Okay. What is the what might be the thought of that designer behind making this logo? Can anyone tell me that? Okay, why this apple is eaten from this side? Okay, we can see a bite. Okay, it's not bite bite, it's about byte bite. Okay,
हेलो
all
मैम।
technology. Yeah.
जैसे मैम कि जो लोगो बनता है वह एक कंपनी के जो प्रोफाइल को बताता है कि उसके पीछे आखिर जो घटित हुआ रहता है या उसके साथ जो उसको पसंद रहता है उसके लोगों के साथ उसको शो किया जाता है,
हाँ
जिससे लोग काफी पसंद करते हैं।
हाँ हाँ।
जैसे कि
एकदम।
एप्पल को ले लीजिए, तो जैसे बताया जाता है कि हमने जहाँ तक मतलब पढ़ा है, हमको बताया गया है कि एप्पल के
हम्म
जो मालिक थे उनको एप्पल खाना बहुत पसंद था, इसलिए उन्होंने मतलब एक
हम्म
बीट मतलब कटा हुआ एप्पल लगाया हुआ है, जो कि आज भी बहुत प्रसिद्ध है हम लोगों के बीच।
हम्म
यही है लोगों को,
हम्म
यही
हम्म
लोगों बताता है हम लोगों के लिए।
हाँ, ये एकदम प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन है। जैसे ये भी सही है, और एक चीज भी सही है, जैसे जो मैं बता रही थी, दैट इज दैट लोगो इज ईटन फ्रॉम दिस साइड बिकॉज इट इज नॉट शोइंग BITE बाइट, इट इज BYTE बाइट। इट इज ऑल अबाउट टेक्नोलॉजी, दैट गीगाबाइट, मेगाबाइट, ऑल दैट बाइट। ओके, एंड जो इन्होंने कहा वो भी सही था एकदम। Okay, and next one is Shell. Shell is a oil and gas company, we know, and this is showing a shell of a snail. Okay, so hard like that. uh, Actually, the color and composition of this logo of Shell is like this because they have a very good relation with Spain. Okay, and they want to you can see the evolution of logo of Shell. You can Google it and you will see the logo has been changed from, I think, from 1904 or something. They are making the company has been started in the year 1904, and the evolution of logo, you can see it was something else on, it was Shell, but the feature, the drawing of the shell was something different on 1904, and it is right now it is something different. Okay, and this is Nike, a very famous sign symbol. we did not explain this because we all know what is the explanation behind this logo. Okay, next, moving on to the next category, that is the wordmark logo. Okay.
Ma'am, your presentation.
Yeah, you cannot see the presentation?
No, ma'am.
Okay, someone is presenting. Shugra Riz, I think you are presenting?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now it is visible?
Yes.
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 Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Let's continue with wordmark logo. So a logo is created by using unique fonts, okay, in a stylish way. So this is the logo of Coca-Cola, Facebook, eBay. This logo are all created in, by using unique font. You cannot download this kind of font. You have to create this, okay. You cannot download. I like the C of Coca-Cola. Okay, I cannot download the Coca-Cola font. So they are unique in its own way. We can say, for example, there is another newspaper famous. It is Telegraph. Telegraph has a very unique kind of G. You cannot find that kind of G anywhere. It looks simple, but you cannot download the same thing. Okay, you have to create that thing. So this is what is wordmark logo, and we can see the 3 example. Okay, next come to the lettermark. Okay, so what we see here, lettermark, they are created by using initials of the company. The reason behind it may be the longer name of the company, which might not fit well as a logo or hard to pronounce. Okay, there are some companies, say German companies, names are very hard to pronounce. Okay, so, and that company is doing business worldwide. So they prefer to keep their initial, or the name of the company is very big. So they prefer to keep their initial as a logo. Let's see some example, you will understand. HP. Okay. HP, then HMV, then IBM. Okay, can somebody unmute your mic and tell me the full form of HP?
Hewlett Packard.
Yes, Hewlett Packard. Ekdam right. Okay, so it's a long name. So they prefer to keep it short. So they are using HP as their logo. And for HMV, anybody?
His master voice.
Yes, his master voice. So his master's voice is pretty long. So to keep it short, it's HMV. And IBM? Anyone?
International Business Management.
Not management, it's machines. You are correct, partially correct. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let's move on to the next thing, that is combination logo. Combination logo, it's evident from its name. It's a combination of wordmark and symbol. Just a minute. Okay, sorry. I just resume from here. It's the combination logo is a combination of wordmark or symbol. Okay, you can see this Pizza Hut logo. Okay, then Adidas, then Burger King. Okay. See, here we can see there's a icon or symbol, and there is usage of wordmark with fonts here also. So these are the 3 examples of combination logo. Now, one thing I would like to mention in this combination logo thing, that when the company becomes very famous, if they are using a combination logo, what they do, they detach this wordmark and symbol, and they use it separately. Like in case of Adidas, you can see this Adidas logo. We can see in many things like we can t-shirts, in shoes. We can see this mark only. We don't find the word Adidas. Okay, sometimes we don't find the word Adidas, or in some places we find the word Adidas and there is no logo. So this is also done to the combination logo. Company may do that, but one should keep in mind, to do that thing, your company should be very famous. Okay, otherwise, say for example, if any company, ABC company, is doing that to them, then nobody will recognize that. Okay, this symbol is for what? Okay, for which company? So when the company become very famous, they can take that risk. Otherwise, for a novice company, it is not a good option. Okay, so this is about the combination logo. And the next and the last one is emblem logo. So emblem is quite similar to combination logo. While combination marks generally separate the text and the graphics, okay, the text in emblem is usually placed inside the symbol, creating one contained shape. Okay, so in emblem logo, we can say the schools, colleges, any government organizations, they form a emblem logo. They preferably wanted to keep a emblem logo. And many companies are like, see the examples, like Harley Davidson, BMW, and Starbucks. These are the examples of emblem logo. Okay, that is the to the logo thing. Okay, we come to the end of the logo session. So if anyone has any question, you can ask me if it is related to the
Ma'am, I
topic.
have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
मैम ये मैं जानना चाहता था कि ये जो बास्किन रॉबिन्स का लोगो है, जो वो 13 साल के उसके पूर्ति के समय उसने इवॉल्व किया था, वो
अच्छा,
किस सेगमेंट में पड़ेगा? वो एम्ब्लेम में होगा या कॉम्बिनेशन में होगा? वो बास्किन रॉबिन्स का जो
बास्किन
लोगो है,
रॉबिन्स लोगो।
हाँ हाँ
ओके, हाँ, और एक बार बताइए, बास्किन रॉबिन्स का जो लोगो है वो क्या में
हाँ,
पड़ेगा?
देखिए वो बास्किन रॉबिन्स का जो लोगो है अभी, वो उसका 13 साल का जो एनिवर्सरी था तब उसने इवॉल्व किया था, तो उसका वो बी और आर भी है, और वो
Okay.
ऐसे लिखा है बी और आर इनिशियल कि वो 13 भी दिखाता है। तो और ये लोगो ये शेप के अंदर ही ये लिखा ही है, तो ये क्या एम्ब्लेम में होगा
हाँ।
या कॉम्बिनेशन में होगा?
नो, ये एम्ब्लेम लोगो नहीं, ये एम्ब्लेम लोगो नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली आप बता सकते हैं ये कॉम्बिनेशन लोगो ही है। ठीक है, एक्चुअली ये थोड़ा फंकी तरीके से यूज किया गया है, थोड़ा फंकी स्टाइल दिया गया है इस लोगो को। हाँ, जो लगता है तो एम्ब्लेम है, बट देयर इज नो सीरियसनेस टू द लोगो। यू कैन सी दैट अ कलर ऑफ पिंक एंड ब्लू हैज बीन यूज्ड. Okay, very soothing, very cute type of colors. Okay, because it is about ice cream, nothing serious. Okay, so ये कोई एम्ब्लेम लोगो के अंदर नहीं है, ये भी एक कॉम्बिनेशन लोगो का ही एक पार्ट है. ओके,
लेकिन बहुत एपीलिंग है.
हाँ, बहुत एपीलिंग है, राइट. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग योर थॉट. ओके, so let's move on to the next section of this. Okay, the next one I was telling that ad, it's all about the ad value. Okay, so designing of ads. Here I won't teach you the designing of ads. What I want to make this session a little more interesting and little more interactive. Okay, when I start interacting with you people, it feels good. Okay, otherwise I just speak like that and the presentation is going on, it becomes very boring. Okay, so I want to interact in the ad session. But before I jump into the ad thing, ad is something I just want to tell you, which is a very creative thought. A person should have a very creative thought when they are making an ad. You will say, मैम सब ad क्या creative होता है? हम लोग जो रास्ते में हर एक ad देखते हैं वो creative होता है? Of course no. A big no to it. Maximum ads are not creative nowadays. Okay, but few ads are stands unique in that phrase, and they are very pretty creative. We can see direct ads that's showing their picture and there's just the text. Okay, and just putting in information, nothing like that. Okay, but today we will see some examples of good creative ad. So before we jump into that, we should understand what is creativity actually. So what is creativity? So creativity refers to the act of making something that previously did not exist. Meaning something very unique. Okay, making something very unique. So true creativity and innovation consist of seeing what everyone else has not seen, thinking what no one else has thought, doing what no one else has dared. Okay, so doing something which has no one has thought of doing, so that is doing what no one else has dared. So creativity always involves the crossing of boundaries. Okay. Mm. So the thing is that one should think out of the box. Okay, thinking out of the box is the creativity. Relating unobvious things with obvious one. Oh, now at the end of the session, who wants to join? Okay. So coming back to this creativity thing, what I was saying, that creativity is thinking out of the box. Okay. So one thing I just want to mention in this, uh, creativity is something relating obvious thing with unobvious purpose. Like for example, if I say red, okay, if I say red, you will say red means rose, red means heart shape, okay, heart, red can be blood. So these are obvious things, these are related things. But if you say red, and if I say, no, red is John Abraham. So people will say, why John Abraham? Because I love John Abraham, and red is the color of love. Okay, it is like that. So relating unobvious with obvious. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Okay. So moving on to some example of creativity. Let's jump into this. This is an ad by cruise ship Accentors, now known as Expedia Travels, a British company. They made a series of ad for their promotion. Okay, I will show you a couple more of that, where they have made those ad in a very creative way. So dreaming of an Alaskan cruise, I just explain one for you, and other thing I will ask you and you will explain. The first one I am explaining here, dreaming of an Alaskan cruise. So here there's, so Alaska is a cold place, we all know. Okay, I think it is situated in some part of Arctic. Okay, so Alaska means cold. So it is not always required that if I'm talking about Alaska, as it is a travel agency, they are talking about Alaska. So it is not required to show the photograph of Alaska, okay, to show the map of Alaska. You can show it in a different way. See here, an ice cream cone. Ice cream cone is forming the shape of a snowy mountain, iceberg, you can say. And ice cream cone, you will say it is not related to travel agency, but yet it's making a great appeal. Okay, it's making a great appeal. We can see a background where we can see a sky and sea. Okay, SEA, sea. Okay, so that is why dreaming of an Alaskan cruise. So there is a sea background, and there is an ice cream cone. Very unique, very appealing ad. Okay, so the next one I will show you, dreaming of an Caribbean cruise. Okay, tell me, somebody tell me that what it is.
Madam, voice break. Madam, voice is breaking. Sound is not clear to us, madam. Sound is not clear. No,
Okay,
no, madam.
Okay, just hold on.
Now this is clear.
Now it is clear.
Thanks. Now it is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Such networking problems there.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yeah. Please answer.
अच्छा, ये मुझे लगता है कि ये जो कप से चाय या कॉफी गिर गया है,
हाँ
तो
हाँ हाँ
इसके जो छींटे हैं ये कैरेबियन आइलैंड्स बना रहा है, और एक
हाँ
आइलैंड से दूसरे आइलैंड तक वो जो ट्रैवल है वो क्रूज के ये थ्रू होता है। तो वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से एक डेस्कटॉप के सामने एक
हम्म
टेबल के ऊपर दिखाया गया है।
हाँ, एकदम सही, बहुत सही कहा, एकदम सही है। वेरी करेक्ट एंड वेरी अप्रोप्रिएट। एंड व्हाट्स योर नेम?
कांचन सेनगुप्ता।
Kanchan Sengupta. Very good,
Yeah,
very
it shows the
nicely.
connectivity.
Yeah, tell me. Someone was
Yeah,
saying something.
I said it shows the connectivity, the collaboration and the
Yeah, yeah.
connectivity. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Properly explained by you all. Okay, so this is clear to you. Then moving on to the next cat thing, dreaming of a Mediterranean cruise. Okay, now somebody from apart from Kanchan, can somebody explain? Am I audible to you people? Na, my voice is clear right now.
Yes, ma'am.
यस
Okay.
मैम।
Okay, so anyone want to say dreaming of a Mediterranean cruise? What is showing? Okay, let me explain like this. Here you can see this series of glass. Okay, it is depicting the picture of Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, Leaning Tower of Pisa. It is in Italy. Okay, and Italy is situated in the bank of Mediterranean Sea. So dreaming of an dreaming of an Mediterranean cruise like that. So very nicely done, very unique concept by Expedia Travels. Okay, so moving on to the next ad. Let me see here. Okay, so yet very funny kind of ad by Dio company X and another Dio company. Okay, so here we can see on this left side ad, we can see what it is written: part good, part bad. That's man's essence. Okay, so the good part of that man is moving with his girlfriend or wife, and the bad part is staring at this lingerie. Okay, so that's what new X essence is all about. Okay, and the second one we can see here. Okay, the second one is showing uh, a toddler is putting a finger on his nose to avoid some foul smell. Okay, to avoid some foul smell, he is putting a finger on his nose. Okay, so to avoid foul smell, one can use this Dio. I think someone mic is on right now. Can you turn off your mic? Yeah, thank you, thank you. Okay, so this is the ad is all about Dio. Let's move into the next ad. Let's see what the next ad is. This ad is done by Big Bazaar on Women's Day. So somebody could explain from you what it's showing.
मैम, may I
Yeah, please.
in fast
Ma'am,
photograph?
hi. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. First, oh, someone is telling. Sorry, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You may tell. You may tell. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. First one is Lakshmi, our goddess, lady.
Yeah.
Second one is Saraswati, our goddess also. We all know that. And
Mm-hmm.
third one is Santasi Mata. I mean, three are lady, but full
Yeah.
of power, full of education, full of poverty, like that.
Okay, I just tell you, and another person was explaining the ad. You can also explain. I don't know your name. Who was explaining?
Actually, I want to say that all women gone for shopping,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Both of you are correct. That is this. I just explained what you people have said. It's absolutely correct. everyone is everyone here, Lord Lakshmi means goddess Lakshmi, goddess Saraswati, and goddess Santoshi Ma or Sherawali Ma, you can say, they are all ladies after all. And as Big Bazaar is giving a huge discount on Women's Day, all of them has gone for shopping. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
this is a funny kind of ad. Okay, this is a funny kind of ad. Okay, so that is the meaning of the ad. So nice ad done by Big Bazaar. So next one is for that deadly smile. Okay, so it's for a fire toothpaste company, Colgate, we all know. And this ad, the right hand side ad, is by Orbit. Okay, that for shiny white teeth. From this ad we can see this teeth. Okay, uh, means a person is dead, his body has decayed. Okay, he has turned himself into a skull, but till the teeth are shiny. Okay, as he was using Colgate when he was alive. Okay, so that for that deadly smile, nice ad by Colgate. And here we can see the shiny white teeth. Okay, shiny white teeth. I can see this guy is sitting and doing his homework or something like that in a dark room, and but his breath is so fresh. As he was chewing Orbit, the light is coming out of his mouth and he can read everything. Okay, so these are the unobvious things, but relating to the obvious world, and these are yet attractive ad. When there are thousands of hoarding can be stand out, and these ads are there, obviously your eye will be on this ad. Okay, these are the creative examples of ad. Okay, moving on to the next. That is, okay, some of you please explain this ad. And I know this picture is little distorted. It's a very low resolution file. Uh, but it's at least clear that you can understand the meaning. So what it is saying actually? Anyone?
Ma'am, sound is not clear, ma'am.
Hello? Now it is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can any one of you explain this ad?
It's a sugar-free candy.
Yeah, correct. Okay. It is a sugar-free candy. Okay. This candy is there and the ants are marching but not touching the candy. As it is sugar-free, they don't have any interest. Okay. Uh, it's for a sugar-free candy. And I just want to just add one thing to it, that photography is also a part of graphic design also. Okay, photography, because like this kind of ad, many ads are done with photography only. It's not always that you have to make an illustration by hand. Okay, it is done by photo manipulation. From here we can see it is not like that, one lollipop is kept and the ants were marching and then the photograph has been taken. Okay, it is not possible. So it might be like that, that this is a lollipop is a separate photograph and this ants were passing are the separate photograph, and those two were merged or manipulated using any graphic software like Photoshop. Okay, so this is the photography is also a part of graphic design. Okay, a good photography is very essential. uh, okay, so many companies hire good photographers to create good ads. Okay, the photographers take photos, and then it pass it to the designer, and the designer make the ad. Before that there was a concept build up is there is a reiki, there is a whole lot of process which involves photography. I know many of you might be very interested in photography too. Okay, let's move on to the next ad. Okay, Amul. So before doing the seeing this Amul ads, I just want to tell you one thing. There is another way of portraying things, that is through mascot. Okay, like this Amul. Okay, they have a mascot of their own. This Amul girl we can see everywhere in the Amul packet. Also we can see it. So we have seen this ad series of ad on current affairs done by Amul. Okay. So one of the example is this exit the dragon. Exit the dragon. Now we all know that we are boycotting China products right now. So exit the dragon means that don't use Chinese products. Amul made in India. Use made in India products. Okay. So this is one of the ad done by Amul, very creatively done. There are a lot of ads by Amul. You can Google and see it. Okay. It comes on newspaper. It's on hoardings also. Next is again one Amul ad. Yeah.
मैम ये जो एग्जिट द ड्रैगन है ना,
हाँ.
ये क्या, ये टैगलाइन क्या इंटर द ड्रैगन को मिमिक करके बनाया गया है?
Might be, maybe के
अच्छा।
मीनिंग करके बनाया गया है. I am not the maker, so I cannot tell you everything. Okay, but nice. I think this is a nice concept. Exit the dragon. And for my, if you ask for my explanation, I think वही आपने जो बताया, तो enter the dragon हम लोग बोलते हैं, वही exit the dragon बता रहा है.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
मैम पीछे टिकटॉक का भी लोगो है.
जी. हाँ, पीछे टिकटॉक का भी लोगो है, क्योंकि वही सब है कि चाइनीज ऐप हम लोगों को नहीं यूज करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज द थिंग. गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट. ओके, अब यहाँ पे आप लोग मुझे एक्सप्लेन कीजिए कि यहाँ पे क्या बता रहे हैं.
यहाँ पे बताया गया है जो खाने वाले चीज है उसमें आत्मनिर्भर हो जाइए, आत्मनिर्भर.
या इट इज लाइक एकदम सही कहा. ओके, मेक्स किचन सेल्फ सफिशिएंट, आत्मनिर्भर. ओके, यू कैन see YouTube videos and make your own food. Now the corona pandemic is been on, so the people were making foods by themselves. Okay, many good dishes are made and people generally make food and take photos and upload it on social media. Okay, it's a trend right now. So Atmanirbhar. Next one, better safe than sorry, always safe. This is also regarding coronavirus. So wash your hands properly before you eat anything whenever you are home. Okay, whatever instruction has been given by IMCA, okay, we follow that. So better safe than sorry. Amul, always safe. Nicely done. Okay, baho se bali tak. Okay, now you people explain this ad. Anyone?
ये बाहुबली का ऐड है.
हाँ, it means hand from hand to the belly.
Yeah, from hand to the belly. Yeah, exactly. And here we can see the muskets have been used as the, I think, what was his name? I remember that
Bahubali.
character. Bahubali, Amindra Bahubali or something like that. The Bahubali and this
मास्कट
is
इज
Dev Sena.
देवसेना.
Yeah, Dev Sena. Okay, I remember Dev Sena. I cannot remember Bahubali's first name. Okay, so this is the thing, and enjoy this blockbuster. And this is Kaho Na Pyaz Hai, won't make you cry. Can you tell me when it was released? At what time it was being released, this kind of ad? They always go on for current affairs, right?
This is last year, almost almost last year मैम. वो जो प्याज लेके बहुत वो होता ना, बहुत दाम चढ़ गया था उसमें, उसी टाइम का तो लग रहा है.
हाँ, एकदम सही कहा. ये उसी टाइम का है जब there was a huge increase of price in of onion price. So Kaho Na Pyaz Hai won't make you cry. Okay, so this is all about Amul. Okay, now I come to a very interesting public interest ad. Okay, it is by National Foundation of the Blind. Okay, in this kind of ad is called typography. This kind of ad playing with letters is called typography. Typography is a whole new thing. Okay, we maybe do some other sessions on that. Okay, today I won't get into the details of typography, but just to tell you, playing with letters and doing something like this is called typography. So what is there in the ad? What they want to say? Can anyone explain me?
Vision.
The letter is missing. So
They want to say
vision. I missing, but vision, I mean, donate eyes. So
Okay. And someone was else was saying something.
there was two I in the word vision, and this is
Yeah, I get you.
And there are two
That's
eyes with us.
yeah. There are two alphabet I's are missing in the word vision, and these two alphabet I's are representing or denoting human eye also. So donate eye. Sorry. So this is what this ad is all about. Sorry, I just have a bad throat. Okay. So this is issued in public interest by National Foundation of the Blind. This ad is very common. You can see it everywhere on the road. Okay. Spare parts for human are not as original as those for cars. So don't drink and drive. Okay. Ad issued in public interest by famous company BMW. Okay. This is very obvious. I don't need to explain this ad. It can be seen here. So don't drink and drive. Okay. Next ad, it is also a very creative yet serious ad, but in a creative way. BP Podar Hospitals, Kolkata. Okay, they showing here beat cancer. Okay, and how can you beat breast cancer? Means it's this. You can see this hand. Okay, it's showing a V shape. Okay, means that victory over cancer. So you can beat breast cancer if you come to BP Podar, and if cancer is in initial stage or something, then details are given. Okay, you can come to if you're coming to BP Podar hospitals, and you are treating. Your treatment is doing for cancer, so you can beat it and you can get a victory over cancer. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
यहाँ टू लेटर्स को हाइड क्यों किया है, क्यों किया गया है?
हाँ क्या?
मतलब मैम जो यहाँ पे बीट कैंसर लिखा गया है, इसमें टू लेटर्स को हाइड क्यों किया गया है? मतलब क्या
हाँ,
मतलब
टू लेटर्स को हाइड किया गया है इसीलिए क्योंकि आप देख सकते हैं आर और एस को अगर हाइड करे तो ये बता रहे हैं बीट कैंसर. ओके, जैसे रेस में हरा देना होता है ना, तो बीट कैंसर. ओके, एंड विच इज ऑल्सो डिनोटिंग द वी थिंग विक्ट्री ओवर कैंसर. बीट एंड विक्ट्री. जी समझ में आया?
यस मैम.
Okay. Next slide. Don't let one mistake ruin your loved ones. Okay. Drive safely. Issued in public interest. So here we can see an image of safety pin. So can anybody tell me what is the meaning behind it?
Yes, ma'am.
Madam was.
Sorry.
Yeah. Tell me. दोनों ही बताइए, एक करके बताइए.
मैम लेडीज के लिए फॉर सेफ्टी के लिए है ये, बहुत मतलब इनके साइंटिफिक है. आई मीन वो बैग में रखो और जहाँ पे रखो फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम, और दिस हेल्प्स अस लॉट.
अच्छा, और एक कोई एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे, वो एक्सप्लेन करें फिर हम बताते हैं.
मैम कांचन बोल रहा हूँ. जब एक सेफ्टी पिन खुला हुआ है वो और सेफ्टी पिन नहीं रहता, वो सेफ नहीं रहता. ये सेफ नहीं है. ये सेफ्टी पिन खुला हुआ है इसलिए ये सेफ नहीं है, और ये ऐसे सेफ्टी पिन को रखना एक मिस्टेक होता है. इसीलिए कहा है डोंट लेट वन मिस्टेक. हाँ
मैम, ये सीट बेल्ट को
ओके नो. हाँ बताइए कोई सीट बेल्ट के बारे में बोल रहे थे.
मैम, ये सीट बेल्ट इसको लगाने के लिए बोल रहा है, ये ध्यान से ना छूट जाए ड्राइव करने समय.
या एकदम सही. आपका नाम?
मैम, मैं यहाँ पे शायद तनुश्री के अकाउंट से हूँ.
अच्छा, आपका नाम क्या है वैसे? ओके, तापस. Okay, Tapas has said the correct thing. एकदम सही बताया. It's not about safety pin. Okay, safety pin मैंने अभी कुछ देर पहले आप लोगों को एक चीज बताया, तो making unobvious thing with obvious. Okay, so it's all about creativity. हाँ, अगर सेफ्टी पिन के बारे में ही बताना है तो ड्राइव सेफली नहीं बताते, ठीक है। हम लोग यहाँ पे ड्राइव सेफली, ड्राइविंग के बारे में बता रहे हैं। डोंट लेट वन मिस्टेक ruin you and your loved ones. It's about safety. You, whenever you drive, when I drive, I pin up the safety belt, means seat belt, then I go for a drive. Okay, so it is always essential. You first pin up your safety belt or seat belt, and then you drive your car. Okay, it's about that. This open safety pin is denoting that your safety belt, means your seat belt is not tied. Okay, so it's telling about that mistake. It's not telling about that open safety pin will pinch, will do any accident or something like that. It's not about safety pin, it's about driving. Okay,
नहीं मैम,
so
मैं क्या, सॉरी मैम, मैं क्या
हम्म,
मेरा इंटरप्रिटेशन थोड़ा बता सकता हूँ? मैं ड्राइविंग के बारे में ही सोचा था मैं,
हाँ हाँ,
लेकिन सिर्फ सीट बेल्ट के बारे में नहीं। यहाँ मैं
अच्छा,
हॉलिस्टिकली देखा कि जब
हाँ
आप कार चलाओ तब हर तरह के सेफ्टी लो, इसलिए
हाँ,
मैंने बोला एक सेफ्टी पिन को जब आप खुला रखते हो तो
हम्म,
एक मिस्टेक करते हो, वो सेफ्टी
हम्म,
पिन और सेफ नहीं रहता। वैसे ही आप कार चलाने वक्त या आप सीट बेल्ट नहीं पहनो, या आप ब्रेक नहीं चेक करो, या आप आपका मिरर नहीं देख लो, या आप ड्रिंक करके ड्राइव करो, ये कोई भी एक मिस्टेक हो सकता है जो आपका ड्राइव अनसेफ कर सकता है। मैं होलिस्टिकली इसको देखा, इसलिए मेरा इंटरप्रिटेशन ये था।
हाँ, एकदम सही है। इट्स अबाउट सेफ्टी, सेफ्टी बेल्ट। हाँ, बहुत सुंदर करके एक्सप्लेन किया है। हेलो, समवन इज सेइंग एनीथिंग? Okay, if I think somebody's mic is on right now. Can you unmute it, right? Okay. So एकदम सही एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है, ठीक है। ये ड्राइविंग के बारे में है, ठीक है। तो हर तरह का सेफ्टी मेजर्स लेना जरूरी है, और यहाँ पे सीट बेल्ट बहुत एसेंशियल है। ओके, सीट बेल्ट इज वेरी क्रूशियल, वेरी एसेंशियल। Okay, issued in public interest. Let's move on to the next slide. This is about smoking. Okay, we can see smoking skills. Okay, now somebody of you tell me that what it is actually depicting.
Ma'am, smoking will slowly kill us. It will
Yeah,
degrade us.
and why pencil? Means why they are showing pencil? Can you tell
Ma'am,
me that?
because pencil after using cigarettes, matlab, after sharpening, it will end one day, it will finish one day. Just like if we smoke a lot, we will also degrade our lungs and we will finish.
या एकदम एकदम सही कहा, एकदम सही कहा, ठीक है। जस्ट लाइक के जो पेंसिल है वो हम लोग शार्पन करते हैं तो उसका लॉन्जिविटी धीरे धीरे कम हो जाता है। लाइक यू डू लॉट ऑफ स्मोकिंग, तो आपका लाइफ का भी लॉन्जिविटी ऐसे ही घट जाता है। ओके, सो इट हैज बीन डिपिक्टेड थ्रू पेंसिल्स। सो अगेन एन अनऑब्वियस विद ऑब्वियस, सिगरेट का साथ पेंसिल का कोई लेना नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी पेंसिल यहाँ पे है, हम लोग समझ रहे हैं कि ये सिगरेट के बारे में ही बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है। और ये देखिए बहुत सारा व्हाइट स्पेस यूज किया गया है, बहुत अपीलिंग है। ऐसा नहीं है कि इसके ऊपर बैकग्राउंड है, इसके ऊपर ब्रश है, बहुत सारा फोटोग्राफी है, ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है। बहुत सुंदर तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है ये एड। ओके, save trees save. So here we can see this ad is issued in public interest, that don't cut the tree because tree ultimately save you. बट अभी लास्ट टाइम हम लोग के कोलकाता में जो तूफान गया है उसमें हम लोग थोड़ी और ही नजारा देखे हैं, ठीक है। क्योंकि मेरे गाड़ी के ऊपर भी पेड़ पर चढ़ गया था, तो पड़ गया था, तो so it's always not always good. So anyways, of course I will go to the public interest ad and say save trees save. Okay, so here we can see a man is sitting on this tree. Okay, a man is sitting on this tree, and a home behind it, his house behind it, is submerged in water. Okay, so nowadays people they cut lot of trees, okay, to for their own purpose of making huge buildings, malls, and etc. But ultimately, at the end of the time, when this kind of flood comes, the tree only save them. Another thing I would like to mention in this kind of photography. Someone is entering right now. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So this kind of ad involves a photography. You can see this as a photograph. So it's not always that this photograph has been clicked is this in a flooded, when it is flooded, there someone has gone there and clicked this photograph. This is might true, but there is another way of doing this kind of photograph is photo manipulation. Might be this is one photograph where this man is sitting, okay, and there is a house behind it. There is another photograph, a full house behind it, and there's another photograph of river, and three of them has been merged or manipulated. Or by using water plugin in Photoshop, also we can create this kind of ad. In a photograph, in the session with Photoshop, I will show you one example. Just make me remember if I forget. Okay, I will show you an example of water plugin. Okay, so this is issued in public interest. Now, this is my favorite ad. Okay, this Irish broadband ad. Again, the same thing I will say, making relating unobvious with obvious. Broadband is now available to take away. Okay, whenever we use the word take away, we all what means comes to your mind when you say take away? It is like food. Okay, take away food, take away bottle, like that. So take away broadband तो कोई दिमाग में आता नहीं है हम लोगों के ऐसे. ठीक है, तो टेक अवे को कैसे दिखाए? So it can be like someone is taking a dongle or some router and giving to another one. So it will be a very obvious kind. It won't be attractive. But here, the Irish broadband have thought of something else. Okay, they have chosen a noodle box and with chopstick. Chopstick has no relation with broadband, but yet it's making an appealing thing. Okay, and they have placed their, I think, the image of their router that product on this takeaway food box. Okay, and they are saying broadband is now available to take away. So very cleverly done. Okay, very cleverly done, yet informative. Here you can see the information. Okay, so no phone line, no hassle, just plug it in. And this is no one grows ketchup like Heinz. So this is the ad. Okay, this is also a good example of photography ad. I'm not telling this whole thing has been done with a photography skill, but yet photography is involved in it. Maybe the chopped tomatoes has been created on chopped tomato has been created like that, and then the sticker part has done in Photoshop or using other softwares. Okay, so moving on to the next thing, hitch-free smoothness. Now you people tell me what it is depicting. It is very easy. Anyone?
मैडम ये इतना स्मूथ है.
Razor.
हाँ
It's
हाँ
very smooth. The
हाँ,
blade
अब
is very
बताइए.
smooth.
हाँ,
It's
क्या
giving a
स्मूथ है?
very clear. The blade is very smooth, which cleans it so well that you can see the others.
Yeah, and और एक जन कोई एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे, बताइए.
मैडम रोड पे जब स्केटिंग किया जाता है तब वो जो ऐसे स्मूथ रहता है, वो रेजर से वो शेप करने से इतना स्मूथ रहेगा, यही बता रहे हैं.
हाँ, एकदम सही बताया, दोनों ने सही बताया. बट सेकेंड वन इज वेरी टू द मार्क, बिकॉज वही बता रहे हैं जो स्केटिंग जो सरफेस है वो बहुत स्मूथ होता है. ओके, वही ब्लेड उतना ही स्मूथ है. इस ब्लेड से शेव करोगे तो उतना ही स्मूथनेस मिलेगा. दैट फॉर हिच फ्री स्मूथनेस. ओके, so that's all. That is the thank you for your attention. So that's all on the presentation today. And now But we can, I would like you to, let me first check you have commented anything or not. Okay, why retain smoking skills? Okay, can somebody answer him this? Why retain smoking skills? Anyone? Okay, so it is written smoking skills because here they are depicting that picture of that sharpened pencil, okay, in a skillful way, okay, in a skillful way they are depicting that picture. And smoking skills, okay, that is first it is in a box, okay, then it was in so next what the picture was, the next was sharpening, means वो जो sharpen हो रहा था वो धुआं जो उठ रहा है, ठीक है। एंड देन आता है जो हम लोग का एस्ट्रे होता है जिसमें हम लोग रखते हैं, तो वो चीज, okay, so here the three skills have been set, okay, so it's showing that smoking skills, जो तीन एक एक स्टेप रहते हैं, पहले सिगरेट लेते हैं, फिर जलाते हैं, फिर खाते हैं, फिर मर जाते हैं, ओके,
ठीक है,
ओके, ठीक है। सो okay, so there was no question, it was
मैम मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था
सेशन हाँ हाँ बोलिए बोलिए।
मैम ये एड्स को ऐसे क्यों बनाते हैं? ये तो सब लोग समझ नहीं पाएगा इसका मीनिंग क्या है।
नहीं, एड्स को ऐसे बनाते हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है जो भी एड्स हम लोग दिखाए हैं इसमें मैक्सिमम एड्स वही था कि लोग समझे, ठीक है, थोड़ा दिमाग लगाए पर समझ जाए, क्योंकि वो डिफरेंट होगा। ऐसे हम लोग रिप्रेजेंटेशन डायरेक्ट तो हम लोग देखते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे मैंने कहा विराट कोहली और अनुष्का शर्मा का जो टीएमटी एड कि मेरा घर इस टीएमटी वार से बनाया है, ये बहुत अच्छा है, वो एक्सेट्रा, ठीक है, दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ एड जहां पे डायरेक्ट इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो रहा है कि लोग दिमाग नहीं लगाते। और कुछ कुछ एड वैसा होता है जो आपके ऊपर दिमाग में इंप्रेशन छोड़ जाता है, जैसे आप अगर ऐसे टाइप ऑफ जो अनऑब्वियस एड है आप एक बार समझ लिए तो आप जिंदगी भर याद रखेंगे, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द थिंग।
मैम ये तो सबको समझ नहीं आएगा, जो नॉर्मल पीपल है वो तो देखेगा और छोड़ देगा, ऐसा कुछ
नहीं, आपको समझ में आया?
हाँ, थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ा।
हाँ, तो बाकी भी दिमाग लगाएंगे ना,
अच्छा,
आप चिंता क्यों करते हैं, ठीक है। सो
ओके मैम।
मैम
थैंक यू।
मैम मैं क्या इस सवाल पे कुछ ऐड कर सकता हूँ?
हाँ हाँ बताइए ना, एकदम।
हाँ, जो भी कंपनी ऐड बनाता है वो पहले एक मार्केट रिसर्च कर लेते हैं और ये ऐड की उसके टारगेट ऑडियंस पे कितना समझ आएगा, कि कैसे रिएक्ट करेगा, कैसे अपील होगा, इन सब का वो एक कैलकुलेशन कर लेते हैं, फिर बाजार में वो ऐड छोड़ते हैं। ये ऐसा नहीं कि वो लोग सोचते नहीं है, हमसे बहुत ज्यादा सोचते हैं क्योंकि उसका पैसा इन्वेस्ट होता है।
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, वेरी वेल आंसर्ड। ओके, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, क्योंकि हम लोग कभी भी कुछ भी बनाते हैं ना तो उसका एक रेकी कर लेते हैं पहले, कि वो उसका मार्केट सर्वे कर लेते हैं कि उसका एक्चुअली जो हम प्रोडक्ट बाजार में ला रहे हैं और जो हम शो कर रहे हैं उसका एक्चुअली मार्केट में डिमांड कैसा है, स्ट्रैटेजी कैसा है। जैसे BMW जो यूज करते हैं, ठीक है, उन लोगों को अगर कुछ हाई एंड एड हम लोग डिजाइन करके दिखा रहे हैं तो उनके जो क्लाइंट्स हैं उन लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा। और जो मास है, समझ लीजिए छोटा मोटा कुछ चीज का एड है, जैसे कोई अंडर गारमेंट्स का एड है या कुछ है, ठीक है, तो ये सबके लिए है, तो इसका हमको एकदम डायरेक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन करना है, ठीक है। सो ऐसे ही मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी बनता है। आई थिंक जिसने हमको एक्सप्लेन किया अभी, वेरी गुड वे ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग इट, वेरी नाइस। ओके, और किसी का पास कोई क्वेश्चन, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क अबाउट टुडेज सेशन?
मैडम एक क्वेश्चन है, हम लोग फॉन्ट यूज करते हैं ना ग्राफिक्स में, मतलब कुछ लोगों के लिए भी सम टाइम हम लोग कुछ फॉन्ट यूज करते हैं ना,
हाँ हाँ,
वो फॉन्ट को हम क्या खुद बना सकते हैं, मतलब समझो कि टाइम्स न्यू रोमन का जो एफ है हम चाहते हैं उसके ऊपर मॉडिफाई करें, तो फिर हम डेल्टा की देके उसको रीशेप देते हैं, फिर कार्व करके ऐसे कुचल के, ठीक है। तो क्या हम वो कर सकते हैं, मतलब वो लॉजिकल है क्या? और मेरा दूसरा है कि किसी का फॉन्ट लेके मैं लोगों में परमानेंटली यूज कर सकती हूँ, ये मेरा एक सवाल है।
अच्छा, पहला है कि ऑफ कोर्स मैं लोगों में जो मतलब अगर कोई फॉन्ट को मैं मैनिपुलेट करना चाहती हूँ, उसके शेप को मैनिपुलेट करना चाहती हूँ, ठीक है, तो हम ऑब्वियसली कर सकते हैं वो चीज, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि लोगों में हमको थोड़ा यूनिकनेस आना है तो फॉन्ट को मैनिपुलेट करना जरूरी है। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये था कि आई थिंक आप पूछ रहे थे कि जो फॉन्ट्स है उसको हम लोग लोगों में डाल सकते हैं या नहीं, राइट?
हाँ, विदाउट मैनिपुलेशन जैसे है
विदाउट मैनिपुलेशन, या ऑफ कोर्स डाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि फॉन्ट डाउनलोड का तो साइट ही है, ठीक है, बहुत सारा साइट है। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं बहुत यूज करती हूँ thefont.com, ओके, सो हम लोग फॉन्ट वहां से लेते हैं, फिर डाउनलोड करते हैं, फिर उसमें डाल देते हैं, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। इवन आप आपका फॉन्ट खुद बना के भी अपलोड कर सकते हैं वहां पे, और लोग अपना डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं उसको, ठीक है। एनीवन, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? Is there any classes on Adobe Photoshop and CorelDRAW? Yes, CorelDRAW class will be on tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be showing you the two softwares, Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW. It's not possible to cover whole software in one day. It is, you people also know that, but I will just show you the basic introduction to it, and I will show you some practical examples also. I will make live session on practical examples, so that you people can create those things using the software, okay. And Photoshop class will be on Wednesday, that is the last day of our webinar, okay. So on that day I also show you the basic of Photoshop, at least that you can start with Photoshop. So it's all from my side today. If you have any question, so if you can have any question, you can unmute and ask. I think all questions, I have answered all your questions. Anybody, any question?
Ma'am, Kanchan here. It was a very good session and useful.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
और एक बोलना चाहते हो कि मतलब बहुत सारे वेबिनार का हम लोग अभी इस लॉकडाउन में किए हैं, लेकिन ये ऐड का जो आपने इफेक्ट दिया है ना, ये तो बहुत दिन तक चलेगा। मतलब अभी मैं रिकलेक्ट करूँ कौन सा देखा, क्यों देखा, और इसका ये है, मतलब नेक्स्ट टाइम कुछ अलग सा देखेंगे तो ये इसका इफेक्ट जरूर होगा और काम में भी होगा, ये बोल सकते हैं।
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your appreciation. It means a lot to me. Okay, and I will be sharing the recording of this session also with you people. Okay, that if you like, you can go through it. जैसे आपने कहा कि ऐड का वो पोर्शन अच्छा लगा, तो अगर आप लोग को फिर से देखना है कि क्या क्या ऐड मैंने दिखाया था, तो you can go through that. Okay. And I have set up a WhatsApp group. Actually, I'm mentioning the link in this chat window, and I will be sharing the link of the recording, as I said, and also of the upcoming session, this session, and on the upcoming session, I will forward that thing into this WhatsApp group. And you may ask your queries time to time, okay, anytime, and I will come back with the answers. Yeah.
मैम, इसमें हमको सर्टिफिकेट मिलेंगे या हमको इससे कुछ अदर जैसे फायदा होगा कुछ, जैसे आप बताएं इसमें?
मतलब सर्टिफिकेट्स मिलेंगे, आप किसके बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, कि वेबिनार के बारे में या कोर्स करने के बाद?
कोर्स मैम।
अच्छा, हाँ, अगर आप कोर्स कर रहे हैं, जो ग्राफिक डिजाइन का कोर्स है, ऑफ कोर्स आपके कोर्स के कंप्लीशन के बाद आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा।
तो मैम इस जो हम लोग का वेबिनार 3 दिन का चल रहा है, मैम इसके अंतर्गत आएगा या इसके एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ेगा इसके लिए?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्या बोले?
मतलब मैम जो इस 3 दिन का वेबिनार चलेगा, जितने भी दिन का चले, तो इसके अंतर्गत कोर्स रहेगा कि अलग से ही कुछ करना पड़ेगा अभी?
नहीं, कोर्स में तो आपको भर्ती होना पड़ेगा। ये वेबिनार तो जस्ट एक सेशन है आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए कि क्या क्या हो सकता है। अगर कोई इंटरेस्टेड है सो दे कैन ज्वाइन द कोर्स, क्योंकि देखिए मैं जो कल दिखाऊंगी आपको इलास्ट्रेटर और फोटोशॉप या कोरल ड्रॉ का, वो तो सब कुछ नहीं है और एक दिन में आप सब कुछ सीख भी नहीं सकते। सो इट टेक टाइम। तो आपको कोर्स के लिए अगर इंटरेस्ट है तो आप भर्ती होंगे, और ये 4 मंथ्स का कोर्स होता है ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग का, टोटल कोर्स 4 मंथ्स का होता है। तो उसके बाद आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, ठीक है।
तो मैम इस 3 दिन का वेबिनार का कोई प्रूफ वगैरह, जैसे कि हमने आपके साथ अपना 3 दिन का वेबिनार किया, हमने आपके साथ इंटरेक्ट हुए हैं, इसके लिए कुछ सर्टिफिकेट वगैरह?
नहीं, इसके लिए तो कोई सर्टिफिकेट वगैरह नहीं है। ये वेबिनार ऐसे ही है कि हम लोग अपने कंपनी को प्रमोशन देने के लिए हम लोग कर रहे हैं, और ताकि लोगों को थोड़ा हेल्प हो, थोड़ा आइडिया हो कि ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग क्या है। वैसे भी हम लोग को जरूरत है कि पढ़ने का ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग या नहीं है, सो ये सब के लिए हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। ठीक है, आप लोगों को पहले समझ में आना चाहिए ना कि ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग क्या है, आपको इंटरेस्ट है या नहीं। ओके, सो उसके बाद ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत, मैंने देखा है स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे ही भर्ती हो जाते हैं, ठीक है। पहले भी मैंने देखा है, क्लासेस किया है, ऐसे ही भर्ती हो जाते हैं। और व्हेन यू आस्क देम व्हाई यू आर इनटू दिस कोर्स, दे सेड लाइक ऐसे ही घर पे बैठे हुए थे, पापा मम्मी ने कहा भर्ती हो जा, तो भर्ती हो गए। ओके, सो दिस इज हाँ।
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
Graphic designing 4 months course. How much is the cost, ma'am?
Okay, I will let you know about the cost and the classes in this WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, fine.
It has a details, so I will be WhatsApping you this details. Okay. I just copy and paste the WhatsApp group link. If you people are interested to join that group, okay, you are welcome to join that. Okay, I just copy and paste it in the comment box.
मैडम आजकल तो बहुत लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि मोबाइल में मतलब ग्राफिक्स का काज हो जा रहा है, ऐसे नामा के लेके आया ना, जैसे हम लोगों का कुछ ही नहीं है। मैं भी इस लाइन में, मगर लोगों का इतना ही, स्पेशली यंग जनरेशन करते थे ग्राफिक्स में, विदाउट सॉफ्टवेयर, विदाउट एनीथिंग, ओनली फॉर एंड्रॉइड।
हाँ, ये सही है। लेकिन एक बात मैं आप लोगों को बता देना चाहती हूँ कि फोटोशॉप जब मैं सिखाऊंगी उसके पहले मैं एक बात आप लोगों को क्लियर कर दूं। जो फोटोशॉप आप लोग मोबाइल में यूज कर रहे हैं और जो फोटोशॉप हम लोग यूज करेंगे, तो अलग अलग चीज है, ठीक है। सो हम लोग एक वर्जन यूज करते हैं मोबाइल में, ठीक है, तो उसमें वो ओरिजिनल नहीं है, वो ऐसे ही उसका नाम फोटोशॉप दिया हुआ है, लेकिन उसमें वो सब चीज नहीं हो सकता जो सब हम लोग मोबाइल से लैपटॉप या डेस्कटॉप में कर सकते हैं, ठीक है।
आप तो आजकल तो सभी समझते हैं कि सब एक ग्राफिक डिजाइनर है मैडम।
Okay, now so if there is no further question, so I am signing off for the day. Let's meet again tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. I will be conducting the webinar on Adobe Illustrator and and CorelDRAW. Okay, so I hope you like the session. Yeah, bye to all of you.
Thanks, ma'am, for the memorable session.
And we will be doing a session tomorrow, so please join. Okay, and I will be sending you the WhatsApp link. Okay,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.